Hi, my dearest students in the Faculty of Oral and Dental Medicine in the Cairo University. My name is Fatma Zahra Salim. I am an associate professor in the Faculty of Education at Ain Shams University, and I will teach you the course of entrepreneurship. Let us first of all establish our golden rule. Um, what's our golden rule? Can you guess with me the golden rule? Our golden rule. There are many rules that you should follow in any successful work or in any successful academic work. So let us start our golden rule. Can you guess with me? Uh, yeah, it's smiling. Smiling, why we need to smile all the time? To be optimistic person, to be positive person, to have a lot of positive energy, to take a second step in your life or in your forthcoming future, inshallah. So smile all the time because you deserve to be smile and to be optimistic person. Let us set our agenda in this course of entrepreneurship. Our agenda is the what's the entrepreneurship, what the person who works in this field of study, which called entrepreneur. So what's the entrepreneur and what's the startup or the small project and or business model, and how to create your own venture. Venture means here equal small business or startup or project, small project. Then in the final step, we need to ask about how to apply this business model in your field of study in dentistry or dental work or in your dental work. Now, let us put our hands on the definition by using the strategy of brainstorming. So, what's the brainstorming strategy? It's a method which enables you to generate much more ideas, numbers of ideas. This is the first step of the brainstorming strategy. Then, without putting any boundaries upon your mind, just produce, just generate, associate multiple ideas, a variety of key words. Then, after the storm will be calmed, we need to rearrange these ideas again, according or these key words again, key fields again, in order to select the proper ideas or the priority that or the solution that close the gap or solve our problem or maybe fit our project. So first of all, in the brainstorming strategy, we need to generate much more ideas without putting any boundaries or limitations upon our minds. Then, after the storm will be calmed, we use the strategy of priority management, and we need to select the proper solution, the proper ideas that close the gap or solve the problem or maybe fits the project or the startup under discussion. So brainstorming strategy has two steps. The first step is a quantitative step, and the second step is qualitative step. The quantity keys with numbers. The qualitative keys with the quality or the value of your ideas. Why we need keywords, not sentences or phrases or a real definition. In this step of the brainstorming strategy, we need only to generate ideas. So keywords enable you to generate a lot, and single words, these single words enable you to make a connection or relationship among these fields or these ideas, and such as when you need to make a relationship between the dentistry and psychology, physiology, histology, sociology. So you need first of all key words, key fields. Then So after the process of the storming, you need to rearrange your ideas again and select the proper solution. Then let us move these keywords. Guess with me, please. What's these keywords? When you need to define the entrepreneurship, just mention keywords. So, what are these keywords? First of all, it may be a concept, it may be quality, it may be success, it may be innovation, it may be creativity. Think, use your think tank, please, use your mind. Strategy, finance, develop, audit, global, consumer, vision, social, inspire, internet, people, marketing, innovation, customer, economics, ecosystem, and so on, environment. Then after the storm will be calmed now, we need to move to our definition, to put our hand on the clear definition. So now it's clear now the definition of entrepreneurship. It's a process of starting a business or a project, small project in your inside your organization or outside your institution. So what's the entrepreneurship? It's a process which enable you to design or launching or running a new business, which is often initially a small business. And the people who practice the entrepreneurship process create this or create the people who create these businesses are called entrepreneurs. In your field of study in dentistry, the entrepreneur called dentist entrepreneur. Dentist entrepreneur. Now, we need to move to the importance or the significance of this significance of the entrepreneurship. So, what's the importance of the entrepreneurship? Number one, it's a creation of new opportunity. You as an entrepreneur search for new opportunities. New opportunities means here chance or a new job, a new project, a new plan. Then this entrepreneurship related to innovation, you create something new outside the box, not inside the box, outside the environment, outside the traditional or outside the given information that you know. It's new information, new field, new opportunity. Impact on community development. You develop your community through the entrepreneurship. You develop yourself as a person and personally and in interaction with your community, with your country and the local country and the global world too. So or your discourse community, your group that you deal with. So you make a lot of impact on community development. And you can make an integration between the political issues, the political context, and the economic context, and again create a lot of impacts, influence upon your community and the outsiders. And then enhance all these things enable you to enhance or improve your standard of living such as economical or financial, your financial aspects, your environment, your social life, your personal life, your job life, your work life, and so on. Then another importance, promote or develop. Promote means here develop, research and development. There is no country or state without R&D. R&D means research, applied researches and development. Then
Thank you so much for watching this video, and these are the most important thing about entrepreneurship. This is an introductory lecture related to the definition, and please follow the forthcoming lectures inshallah, and see you in the next lecture بإذن thank you so much. Bye bye. Please keep on your smile because you deserve to be a positive person and to smile all the time. Thank you so much.